So hello everyone. In today's session, we will learn about the Japanese particle O. So in previous session, we have learned Japanese particle wa, particle mo, particle a, yo. So till now we have learned so many particles. So today we will learn Japanese particle O. So I will be sharing my screen, laptop screen. You guys, hi. Okay. Yeah. So I hope you can see my laptop screen. Yes. So this is Japanese particle O. Okay. So if you remember Japanese particle A, which I taught in previous session. So particle A, when I taught this particle A, that time I make a pattern like place particle A and motion verb. In previous session, you can go and check. So what is motion verb? Motion verb is ikimas, kimas. It means go, come, or return. So particle A is used after place to which you are traveling. Okay. So particle A is used in this way. Okay. So that time we made a category of suppose these are the more verbs related to traveling, go, come, and return. So I make a category of motion verb. Okay. So I make a category of motion verb because it is related to traveling. But that before motion verb, that time we use particle A. So in today's section, we will learn some another category of action verb. Okay. In today's session, we will learn the category of action verb. So what are those actions? So we will see here. Okay. So before that action verb, we will use particle A or particle O. Sorry. So more main function of particle O is used in this way. Hi. So whatever particle O is come after noun, noun O verb. Okay. So let's take here in place pan. Pan means bread. Pan o tabemas. Tabemas, the meaning of tabemas is eat. Pan is bread. So I eat a bread. So if you think logically, eating is related to action. Got it? So that's why I'm putting particle O here. Now let's take some few more examples I have added. Ringo. Ringo is a apple. Ringo o tabemas. So tabemas is eat, and this is again the category of action. And Ringo is apple. Okay. Ringo o tabemas. Apple o tabemas means Ringo o tabemas. I eat apple. So before this part, particle o comes between any object. Here, Ringo apple is an object, and tabemas is a verb, which I will in short to make a category. I am saying action verb. So between object and action verb, particle o it can become. In grammatical language, we can instead of action verb, we can also say it is a transitive verb. Okay. So this is the first example. Now the next example is Nihongo. Nihongo is Japanese language. I write a pronunciation below here and meaning here. Nihongo o benkyou shimasu. So again, Nihongo is a Japanese language. Okay. Nihongo is a Japanese language. Oh, benkyou shimasu. Benkyou shimasu means study. Okay. Study is related to action. Okay. So that's why particle O is coming between object. Or here the object or noun is Nihongo. Nihongo o benkyou shimasu. So I study Japanese. So this is the second example. So now let's take some next example. So third example I have added terebi. Terebi is TV. TV is our object or noun. Terebi o, this is a particle. Mimas. Terebi o mimas. Let me Terebi o mimas. So terebi means TV. O mimas is to see. Okay, mimas is to see, so it is related to action. Okay, so because this is action, so we are adding particle O. Now let's take suppose next example. So if you see these are the actions. This is study, this is eating, this is study, this is mimas to see. All these are action. This is kikimas. Kikimas is to listening. Listening is action. Okay. So in listening here they mention I mention ongaku o kikimas. Ongaku is music. I listen to music. So this is a noun. Ongaku is a noun. O is a particle and kikimas is an action. Okay. So ongaku o kikimas. I listen to music. So and the next example is doa. Doa is a door. Doa is a door. O akemas. Akemas is open. Okay. This is a transitive verb. Okay. Akemas to open. The action involved of opening. So this is noun and this is verb. So particle O is coming between this kind of noun and verb. Let me check some examples. So these are the pronunciation given in Romaji and English, and the meaning is in English. Okay. So there are again various ways of using particle O as well. Koen o sanposhimas. Koen o sanposhimas means I walk through the park. Okay. So koen o sanposhimas. So basically the common mistakes, what happened, I am writing, I am just make a note of these things. So sometimes people may in mistakes, they made some mistakes like this. You can go through this. I will upload the notes below. Hmm. So I have updated the quick summary of this video of particle O. Yes, that's it for today's session. So yeah. So if you have any query about the particle O, you can comment. I will of course try to reply as soon as possible. Yeah. Thank you so much for joining. Arigatou gozaimasu.